In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it. Mute the music by clicking at the bottom left corner. Hit consent. Tap on this gear at the top left corner and manage all of those options however you wish to. Then click at the top right corner, bottom right corner, choose Set as Live Wallpaper and hit Yes. Then hit Set Wallpaper and decide where. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!